This is an introduction to my new video series called the Answer Ladies Machine Knitting Flashcards. Each video is a 1 minute or less quick look at a single machine knitting skill. As you know, my videos often include lots of side information, references to projects, how to incorporate something into a project, multiple ways to use it. These videos are not like my usual ones. They are very brief, very focused, no chit-chat. They're suitable for your first introduction to the subject to get a basic idea of what's under discussion, and they're suitable for review if you're returning to knitting and don't quite remember this technique. If the technique is new to you, you may want to go on and view a more detailed video. So I will make every attempt to include suitable links to other videos in my collection so that you can go into greater depth if you wish.